Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to delay clicks on iOS. First, we need to open up the settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, write Settings. Now, just scroll a little bit to Accessibility, then scroll again, open up Touch, then just click on Touch Accommodations, turn on Hold Duration, and here you can choose how many seconds you want. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and hope to see you soon.